A grandmother with a gun. Grandmothers might have magical powers of many kinds, but they did not take guns to the shopping center.
In fact, magical powers are precisely the way elderly women used to wield influence in society. In medieval Europe, older women were often the village folk healers, whose patients cured disease. They were revered members of the community, but their powers became a problem for the church. Demonized, persecuted, and sometimes executed. It would be centuries before such women would have power again. But in the legend, power doesn't come from potions or incantation. It comes from smithing.
What happened?
And true or not, the story has several interpretations that reflect our own times. First, it frequently casts minority